Good morning, children and parents. Welcome to Mrs. Ramirez math class. Today we have a special class about the circle of the area. The objective of this class is that you are going to learn how to calculate the perimeter of a circumference and the area of a circle. Okay. You know that a circle is any round object. We have example, for example, the pizza. The pizza has a round shape, and a wheel, and a plate. This plate is a circle. Can you see? There are big circles like this, and there are a small circle like this. Look, this is a circle. But today, I want to explain how to calculate the area and the perimeter of the circumference of a circle. For that, I have a tape over here. Look, a tape. I can measure the perimeter or this circumference with this tape. But this is a little complicated. There are other ways in which we can get the perimeter of the circumference and the area of a circle. For that, I want you to look at the board. The pages we are going to work today are pages from 71 to 77. Okay, on the board I have a circle. Okay, I want you to pay attention to this. This is a circle. As I told you, a circle is a round object, but the perimeter or the circumference are all these points. Okay, look, all this point is the perimeter or the circumference. For that, it is important you learn what is, the diameter, that we identify diameter with the letter D, the radius with letter R, the circumference with letter C, and pi, as you know, you learn in fifth grade that pi is a given number and the value of pi is 3.14, and we represent pi with this symbol. This is the symbol for pi. Okay, I'm going to show you what is the radius, the diameter. Okay, what is the radius? I want you to see this circle. This is the point, the center of the circle. And we represent the center of the circle with O, okay? And the radius is a line, okay? This line that starts there until the point O. This is the radius. This is the radius. And the diameter is another radius over here. This is diameter. The diameter is a line, a straight line that divides the circle in two equal halves. Okay, so this is the most important you have to learn about a circle. Radius is 1 point until there, is the half of the diameter. And the diameter is a straight line that divides the circle into half. That is the most important. Okay, here's come what I want you to learn. There are two formulas. To calculate the perimeter of circumference or the area of a circle. For that, I want you to learn this. To calculate the circumference of a circle, we have two formulas. I want you to look at this formula. C equal pi multiplied by D, or C equal 2 pi multiplied by R, in which C is circumference, this is pi, and this is diameter. And this C means circumference, and 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by R, in which R is the radius. in which D is the diameter. So this is for calculate the perimeter of a circumference. Okay, and when you want to calculate, okay, the perimeter of the circumference, remember that you have to apply these two formulas. Okay, if you already know the diameter, you apply this formula. If you know the value of the radius, apply this formula. These two formula is to find the perimeter of a circumference. Now we go to calculate the area of a circle. To calculate the area of a circle, we use the formula A equal pi multiplied by r squared, in which pi is 3.14 and r squared. Remember that you have to square the radius. Square the radius means that you have to multiply the number or the value of the radius by itself, not multiplying by 2. For example, I'm going to do an example on the board. And if I have this circle, okay, the area of the circle is what is inside the circle, okay? All this around is the circumference, but the area is what is inside. So this is the formula we apply to find the area. Okay, area equal pi multiplied by r squared. Remember, okay, that you have to square. You have to multiply twice by itself to find the area of a circle. Okay, we go to page 74. Can you see this example in which you find the circumference of the circle? You know, in exercise A, you know the value of the diameter. You apply this formula. If you know the value of the radius, you apply this formula. If you know the value of the diameter, you apply this formula. Okay, now listen up. In the next page, page 75, we have the formula to find the area of a circle. Okay, A equal pi multiplied by r squared. Remember, r means radius, and this symbol is pi. Okay, remember that pi, okay, pi is a symbol, is a Greek symbol, and the value is already given, that is equal to 3.14. Okay, and that value doesn't change. Okay, so when you apply this formula, remember that, okay, you have to multiply. In this case, if you find the circumference of the circle, you multiply 314 times 314 multiplied by d, and in this case, the formula you apply 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. These two formulas is to find the perimeter or of a circumference, but this formula is to find the area of the circle is A equal pi multiplied by 2. And I'm going to resolve an exercise, okay, an exercise on the board. And I'm going to resolve this exercise on the board. Look, page 75, exercise 1, where it said that we have to find the circumference and the area with the value of the radius equals 6 centimeters. Okay, and the formula, okay, to find the perimeter circumference, I'm going to apply this. C equal to pi multiplied by r, in which r is equal to 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. okay, 6 centimeters. So the only procedure I have to do is, okay, change this radio by its value, that is 6 centimeters. C equal to 2 times 3.14 times 6. Okay, C equal, I multiply 2 times 6, 12, and then I multiply by 3.14. So the circumference the circumference is equal to 37.68, okay, centimeters. Okay, this is the answer. So now I'm going to find the area of the circle, okay? To find the area of the circle, I'm going to use this formula, in which A means area, okay? And pi is 3.14, okay? Multiplied by r squared, in which r is radius, but we have to square. Remember that square. A square doesn't mean that you have to multiply by 2. It means that you have to multiply twice by itself. Okay, in which a is equal to, in which r is equal to 6 centimeters. So just I replace 3.14 multiplied by 6 squared. A is equal to 3.14 times 6 squared is 36. So I multiply 314 times 36, and the area is equal to 113.04 centimeters square. Don't forget that. Okay, you have to square the unit. In this case are centimeters. And that's it. That is only that, okay? The formulas to find the perimeter of a circumference and the area of a circle is easy. Just replace, because the most important, you know, is that pi, the value of pi is 3.14. Only that here. In the assignment for today, or the homework for today, and I want you to look, okay, look page 75, and look page 76. Look 76. Okay, the exercise are already done. Okay, page 77, in which there are a circle, yellow, pink, and blue. There are 3 exercises: exercise A, B, and C. And exercise A, I already solved. You are going to resolve exercise B and C. Okay, and exercise 2 is already resolved. Okay, the homework for today is resolve exercise B and C, page 77. Only 2 exercises is your assignment for today. I hope you have understood, okay, the main goal of this class is apply the formulas to find the perimeter of circumference, applying these 2 formulas, and calculate the area of the circle, applying A equal pi r squared. It's only that. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you have a nice day today. Any question, any doubt, please, I will be here, willing to answer your doubt. Thank you very much. Goodbye.